Right, so for those that don't know how Teslas work, and they're always saying, what if I need to charge? How am I going to know where to stop? All these things. So the Tesla has this, if you put a destination too far, and that's only because, so if I go to here, settings, right? So I turned off the trip planner. So trip planner will automatically add chargers for you, but I don't like that. So if I do that, I'm not gonna recalculate it right now, but normally it'll like put all these charger stops for you. And because I already set my thing, it's not doing that, as you can see. But if I were to tap here, sorry, if I tap this, where does it show? Okay, I'm not gonna need charging to reach there, but usually it will automatically add the chargers if I were to leave that setting. But I don't like it because it doesn't care which chargers you go, it'll pick whatever ones it wants. So if you want that and you don't care about the price of charging, then go ahead and do that. But normally I'll set my route, I'll go to add stop or edit trip, and then depending on if I want the stops in between or not, then you can go to charging. You can see all the chargers along the route, so you can see these. So this is the route, you can see there's charging stations all along this route. See, everywhere there's a lot of charging stops. The gray ones usually means either there's no chargers available or they're too far for you to reach on that on your current state of charge. But I don't think so, because it's 84.9 miles and we have 52%. That should be enough to go minimum 110 miles. It's going to be way more than that, more like 150 miles or so, unless I drive crazy. So yeah, so I should be able to actually reach this one no problem. But I'm wondering if I should stop at some of the larger ones just for fun, because there's more to see at the larger stops. But we'll figure it out when we get closer to needing to charge. If you leave it automatic, it'll tell you to go to each one, how long to charge at each. And also if you're like driving too fast, it'll tell you in order to reach your next destination to like keep below a certain speed. So the car's very smart. It will tell you if you're driving too fast and you're not going to make it or whatever. Okay, so yeah, you don't need to really worry about where to charge, how long to charge. The car will even tell you if you're driving too far away from any chargers and you're not going to make it to another one. Although everywhere has an outlet, so if you have your charger, if you have adapters to be able to plug in, you can charge in at a regular charging outlet. Obviously that's going to be super slow, or if you have like the dryer outlets or other things, you can charge faster. But it'll tell you if you're going to not be able to reach any superchargers. So yeah, there's no way you're going to get stranded unless you're just being dumb and ignoring all the little warnings that pop up on the screen. People do it, they ignore it, and then they end up like going, I might make it, I'm gonna get there with 0%, and then they don't make it. So don't like try and push it too far. Make sure you have like at least 10% on arrival, and you shouldn't have any issues at all. All right, that's it. We'll see you guys when we get to the capital.